Today's coloring activity is started. Here are colors, a book, water.
So let's start the activity now.
Okay, mommy. Which color do you like?
Today we are going to do this coloring activity here. The reason is yesterday evening when I was all set for the dinner, suddenly she took out the book and I'll show it. Suddenly she took out the book and colored this picture. I was so surprised. Without any of my help, she did this one, and after this is over, she showed it to me. I was quite surprised by looking at the picture because yeah, she used different colors for each and every part of the body, face, shirt, shoes, dog. So today I would like to see how she is going to color this. Let's all see together if she is going to color this one without any help. So baby, shall we start coloring?
Yes, mommy.
Here you go, your colors.
Thank you, mommy.
Here is your water.
Thank you.
And you also need a cloth, right?
Okay, mommy.
Okay, let's see, because yesterday she surprised me with this coloring activity and I really don't know how she did it. Next, which color do you like to use?
Do you like some blue?
Okay.
Okay, mommy. Now, which color do you like?
Yellow color?
Okay, mommy. Which color do you like?
Green color.
Leaves are which color? Just check. Green?
Yes, mommy.
Let's go green.
Okay, mommy.
wish. Which color do you want to take? Blue? Purple?
I want brown color. Here's my coloring. Do you like it? Do you like it? Or this? Or this? I want this one.
Yeah, she is exactly 3 years 9 months old. So you can now understand this is how a 3-year 9-month-old preschooler can do coloring with watercolors. Hope you have really liked this video. You can also try this with your children and see how much they are able to draw. Kids can draw even better than this because I have seen them in my school. Few of them are really very much interested in coloring with watercolors, and they are very much keen about each and every detail of the picture. So give them exposure to watercolors as well along with crayons. So I have already made a video on how to teach them drawing and how to teach them coloring with the help of crayons, and in this video you can see how they can do this watercoloring also. So for those who are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends and family members. See you, bye.
Do you like it? Which one and do you like? I like this one. Like. Okay. See you tomorrow.
Okay then, see you tomorrow. Bye everybody. I liked this one. And which one do you like?
I want this one.
Okay, fine.
Which one do you like?